Hey, welcome fellow Kamadians. Hope you're having a great day. Today, we're going to be cooking Gyro. You often hear it pronounced as Gyro or Gyro, but the correct way to say it is Gyro. Those of us who've had it before have probably had it made with chicken, beef, or lamb. In Greece, you actually find it often made with pork, and that's the version I'll be showing you today. We'll start by making the marinade. You'll need 1 teaspoon of fennel, 1 tablespoon of coriander seed, 1 tablespoon of dried za'atar, 2 tablespoons of sweet paprika, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, half teaspoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon of sumac, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. After you've assembled all these ingredients, combine it in a spice grinder and blend it well until everything is mixed well together. Now transfer the spice mixture to a large bowl and add a half cup of olive oil. After everything's combined, add the juice of a half a lemon. I'll be using a 6-pound pork shoulder that has been deboned and cut into 1/4 to 1/2 inch slices. If you're planning to use a larger piece of shoulder, all you need to do is scale the ingredients up accordingly. Add all the meat into the marinade, making sure all the slices are completely covered in it. Afterwards, marinate it for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight to allow the meat to fully absorb all the flavor. When the pork is done marinating, light the charcoal in your Kamado. Position the charcoal so that only half the chamber is covered. Place a drip pan on the other half. Remember to only use good quality lump charcoal for your Kamado. A good way to tell whether charcoal is good or not is by the size of each lump. You don't want a bag that's full of pulverized charcoal dust on the bottom of the bag. You want nice big pieces. After your coals are lit and the cover is closed, you want to aim for a temperature of around 280 to 290 degrees. While the Kamado is heating up, take the slices of pork and insert it into your rotisserie rod. Stack each slice of pork, making sure that it stays in a uniform cylindrical shape. Once the Kamado has reached 280 degrees, place the gyro into the Kamado. We're about 40 minutes in now. Let's take a quick peek to see how it's doing. It's looking really good. It's been about another 20 minutes, and I just took an internal temperature reading of 135 degrees at the deepest spot of the gyro. This means that the meat on the surface is ready to be carved off. We'll let it cook for another 10 to 15 minutes and we'll take some more off. I just took another reading and the gyro is at 145 degrees now. It is done. I carved off the remaining gyro and now I'm ready to build a pita sandwich with it. You can also create a simple but delicious meal by serving the meat on top of a bed of salad with tzatziki on the side. For a gyro sandwich, I'm going to use pita bread, green leaf lettuce, red onions, tomatoes, and tzatziki. I want to give a big thanks to you for watching this video. Please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious food from all around the world cooked on the Kamado.